Hi, this is Tushar Rannan. Once again, you're watching 99 Workouts Season 2, the 50th episode and the last episode for Season 2. आज मैं हूँ पूना में और मैं एक खास व्यक्ति से आपको मिलवाने जा रहा हूँ। इनके बारे में क्या कहने हैं, आज हम पता करते हैं कि कहानी इस दरवाजे के पीछे है शायद। Let's find out the inside story.
Hi, Tushar. Welcome.
Hi, Manish.
Long time.
I'm with Manish Mehta and I'm here in Pune, and it's my fortune that I see such a handsome man at the door, and he's going to take us to a special place which he has mentioned that this is going to happen for the first time, that he's going to show this place on a YouTube channel of what's happening in this house. So please follow me along with Manish. Good. It's a beautiful place, Manish.
Thank you so much.
I love the whole decor and the wooden staircase. आज हम यहाँ पे मनीष जी के घर पे हैं और देखते हैं कि इनकी इनसाइड स्टोरी क्या है। ये हमें लेकर आए एक दरवाजे के पीछे, पता नहीं काफ़ी टाइम से बता रहे कि इस दरवाजे के पीछे कुछ छिपा हुआ है। सो लेट्स सी मनीष व्हाट यू गॉट इनसाइड। ओके, सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट व्हाट मनीष इज गोइंग टू शो अस. There's a treasure inside for you. So this is going to come especially on 99 Workouts today.
So
क्या
this is
बना है
my
मनीष?
gym.
Oh wow. let's figure this out. आज हम यहाँ पे एक होम जिम पे आए हैं जो मनीष जी ने छिपा रखा है. सो इनकी तबीयत का राज आज पता चल गया आप लोगों को कि ये है इनका होम जिम, और हम पता करते हैं कि इसके पीछे और कुछ राज है क्या. तो आज हम 99 वर्कआउट सीजन 2 में मिल रहे हैं. एक नहीं बल्कि 3 men in black, और मैं एक चौथा men in black हूँ. So it is so well coordinated and such handsome people. जब मैं आप इनको देखोगे तो आपको लगेगा कि यहाँ पे शायद 3 ब्रदर्स बैठे हुए हैं, लेकिन आपको बताकर आज मैं पता नहीं ये इनके फादर हैं, इनके 2 बेटे हैं. अगर आप विश्वास कर सकते हो तो ठीक है, नहीं तो आप आज इनके बारे में हम पता करेंगे और ये राज आपको आज बताएंगे 99 वर्कआउट्स पे. सो वेलकम मिस्टर मनीष, एंड वी हैव 2 ब्यूटीफुल sons which I'm like astonished. That's Aryan and Adit on the left and right, and thank you for this opportunity, and to get all of you here in one place was just my honor also. And I'm so glad that your entire family is into health and fitness. So Manish, tell me something. You basically are from the real estate background, right? And you've been involved with a lot of club activities and doing a lot of activities for Pune Club. He's very well known elected member in the Pune Club also. So एक आपका background जो है और यहाँ से आप एकदम हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस में इतने फ्रीक बन गए, इसका राज क्या है?
So at the outset, let me first thank you for this wonderful opportunity. And honestly, I was also looking forward this opportunity because it was last 1 year we were trying to coordinate, but somehow things were not with us. Well, actually क्या है कि when I was in my 10th grade and हमारे समय में देवड़कर करके 10th स्टैंडर्ड में क्लासेस हुआ करती थी.
Okay.
तो मेरा एक फ्रेंड आया और मुझे बताया कि आपके पापा को हार्ट अटैक हो गया.
Okay.
And that was actually in my mind. And I cycled home, and then when I came home मुझे पता चला कि dad is in the hospital. So that was the day I had thought in my mind that I will never give an opportunity to anybody in my family.
Right.
Because when a single person goes to the family, it's not he alone.
Right.
It's the entire family which goes to the hospital.
Right.
So I had made that commitment then. And that is how I did a lot of things, but I was quite unscientific. I was only doing cardio all the time. And that is where I met my guru, my fitness mentor, Kaizad.
Right.
A very very old friend.
Right.
I know him since 2004, 2003.
Right.
And that is where his guidance and his complete know-how came to me.
Right.
So that is how I got into wellness and fitness, and there was no looking back.
Right.
After that.
Manish, my next question to you would be: today your sons are also involved with training with you. I've seen their videos also. I think you're doing your law right now, right? So how easy was it for you to kind of communicate the message of getting them into this fitness?
Actually, it's a very tricky question. Trust me. There used to be so many fights in the family when I used to sit on the dining table. Every day I used to fight with my mom, my dad, everybody for the food, because मारवाड़ी family है, एक अलग तरह से खाना बनता था,
Right.
which I wanted to eat something which was very different, very
Right.
basic food, but it is very difficult to communicate, and even it is difficult as of today also to communicate to your own people that how health and wellness is so important. So it was a difficult task, but then with the kind of transformation I had,
Right.
and that is where people started believing me.
Right.
And that is where I believe Aryan, I think so, Aryan was in his 12th grade,
Right.
and he was quite confused about that how, what, क्या करना है, पता नहीं है.
Right.
So that is why I suggested him,
Right.
that एक काम करो, you take a break for 1 year,
Right.
and you can pursue whatever you want to, but with that, you go to Kaiser,
Right.
do his course,
Right.
and after that, once he did that, he completely got into it.
Okay.
So we are quite, very flexible routine we follow
Right.
in terms of waking up early morning. So we all are early risers.
Right.
Me, my wife, Asha.
Okay. So tell me, Manish, you have been majorly involved in promoting sports. In Pune Club also, I met you there. You were very instrumental in bringing the sports culture into the whole Pune Club members, because you are passionately involved and which you're still doing it. And you also run an organization called Lakshya, if I'm not wrong, where you are promoting young talents to go for Olympics and these kind of activities, I believe. So, what do you think is the future of, like now we have Olympics around the corner. So, you might have seen a lot of talent, through your organization. So, what do you think? Do we have, what is missing that, we do not have sports, like, there are hardly any people, like, we're struggling to get a medal. So, what is that grassroots level, thing which is missing in our country?
Actually, if I just take you back for some few years, way back in 2010 or 11, I think so it was 2010, Laksh was formed
Right.
under the able leadership of Mr. Sandeep Pradhan.
Right.
When he was in the income tax and he on his sports deputation, he went to Gujarat. Post Gujarat, he went to Delhi. Presently, he is the Director General Sports Authority of India.
Okay.
So we used to discuss this, and we always used to feel that everybody is talking. Nobody is actually working on it.
Right.
So on a coffee table, we were 4-5 friends,
Right.
and Manish Jain, myself, Sundar Iyer, Abhijit Kunde, Vishal Cholia, the
Right.
president. He is driving it really beautiful.
Right.
So that is how Laksh was formed. But the challenge is that people only talk, and that is where we thought of giving it back to the society. So we started, hunting the budding talent and
Right.
promote them, giving them a complete 360-degree angle. They don't have to worry about anything. They just have to come train, because there are a lot of things running on their mind too. But as you rightly asked, that what is the challenge?
Right.
So I personally believe as of now there are a lot of technologies which are which was not available for us. Infra, yes, now it is available, but at the same time, I think so. The parents should be quite, they should promote the kid.
Right.
And generally, we have seen that if the family is not well-to-do, or even if he is well-to-do, they have never seen sports as a career.
Right.
Now, with a lot of medals to India coming in the past, now people have really thought of getting back to sports, and they are getting back to sports.
Right.
So this is where I feel that determination, that ability, and to feel yes, I can do this. That is the main crux of.
Right. You're watching 99 Workouts season 2 with a beautiful family here, headed by Manish and their 2 sons. अगला सवाल मेरा, of course, I'll ask Aryan because you are also pursuing a law. So लोग जनरली आपके जो एज ग्रुप के लोग हैं वो जनरली बोलते हैं यार ये लॉ इट्स अ वेरी सीरियस सब्जेक्ट, काफी पढ़ना पड़ता है. हाउ डू यू इनकॉर्पोरेट हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस इनटू इट, or you're making time? How do you make time for it?
So fitness has always been something. So when I was a kid, I was into a lot of. I used to play a lot of sports and everything.
Right.
And as I grew up, and my dad obviously motivated me to go to the gym and work out and everything. And when I took my break, that's when I started really. I really got into it. I really got into the nutrition side of
Right.
this, which is very important.
Right.
And that's how I really got motivated. And so the thing with law is that you really need to study a lot. There's a lot of reading. There's a lot of you need to put in a lot of hours, extra efforts, and all of that. So a lot of students they pull all nighters and they try to wake up. They wake up late and everything because they pull all nighters. So it's just that if you get up early in the morning, which is a very important thing.
Right.
If you get up by 5:30 and you work out, it just takes an hour and a half or 2 hours, that's it.
Right.
So that really helps you, that motivates you a lot, that gives you a very good perspective.
Right.
It really helps you mentally
Right.
to get on with the rest of your day, to because there's a lot of pressure and this and that in law.
Right.
So it prepares you for that as well, which people don't understand. Yeah, so it's not very difficult, it's just 2 hours a day out of.
So Aryan, मेरा एक और सवाल है अभी
Yeah.
जो आपने बोला आप लॉ कर रहे हैं and आपका पैशन स्पोर्ट्स एंड फिटनेस है.
Yeah.
So you know that fitness and sports is also a big profession now.
Yeah.
So do you gamble ever because you're just 21 की यार ये मेरा पैशन है और ये मुझे जबरदस्ती पढ़ना पड़ रहा है? ऐसा तो नहीं कि in the future you would maybe you are move more towards the sports and this
I was thinking about it. I would want to do that as well. But the thing is, with law as a background, there is always sports law that's coming up.
Right.
So that told me about that. So
Right.
the sports law is a very good option.
Right.
So Olympics and this and that, and it's got law as well.
Right.
So I would really like to incorporate that later in my life.
Good. Because for sure we need guys like you to be involved with law and sports, because we want the fitness industry to come into the off the entertainment sector and come into the health sector, so that we are given due importance. My next question, of course, is to you. You are younger. I think you're 17 now.
Yeah.
So, well, this is a controversial question now. Who would you idealize as your guru, like at this moment? May not be your father, but can be anyone.
No, so my dad motivated me a lot
Right.
to go to the gym and everything. He took us in the morning, and at that time I used to hate it. Like,
Okay.
get up early, go do running, do exercise.
Right.
But then, like after some time, like I only felt like the urge for it, and then like Aryan used to go to the gym every single day, and he used to drag me along with him. And like I used to chill and sit at home, and he's like, "What are you doing? This is not necessary. Go to the gym." So they both motivated me a lot, to be honest. Like dad had I was a bit fat and all, and dad had a really good body that time. I mean, I
Still
got
have.
very okay.
I still
And I got very motivated. Like even I want this. Okay, even I want that. Even he has a very good body.
Right.
So I got very motivated because of them. So that's how I started it. So both are equally important.
I remember a scene. It was way back in 2004-5. It was the first time I encouraged them to run a marathon.
Okay.
So it was 10 kilometers. So meaning Aryan, Adit, Nidhi, Avi, and there were 5 kids from the family. So for 2 months, we had a very serious regime. And in that regime, it was no eating junk food and all, and we had a lot of fights with the parents. But finally, these guys achieved it, and it was covered by a leading newspaper then.
Wow. So Manish, yeah, coming to that, that's a very, very amazing, aura you've created in this family. आपको क्या लगता है, who plays a major role to get this kind of, जो atmosphere आपने create किया है? does the father or the mother play or they play equal role in developing this kind of culture in a family?
Actually, if you see, it's a complete family, your environment,
Right.
more important, your friends,
Right.
and that is where it's a very it's a family where everybody has to play
Right.
their role. Like for example, if I am doing my fitness part, but Asha is certainly helping me with the nutrition,
Right.
because she is cooking some amazing food,
Right.
and that is one of the reasons that people generally feel that अरे fitness का खाना एकदम यार it is not
हाँ,
tasty.
right.
But that is where it plays such an important role, and everybody in the family matters. Everybody in the family matters. नहीं तो क्या होगा घर में ये भी खा रहे हैं, some we are eating junk. So what has happened now in at least in my family, junk food, it comes very occasional. These guys they eat, they do cheat, but then everything has a limit,
Right.
and everybody motivates everybody.
Right.
Like
Wow.
initially I motivated these guys,
Right.
but now trust me, the way Adi is deadlifting 150 and odd,
Yeah.
so it is certainly so it's a feast to the eyes
Right.
to see him deadlifting,
Right.
working out,
Right.
the way Aryan works out. So in fact now it is complementing each other.
Right.
It's motivating each other.
Right.
And that is where a complete family building comes in, and that
Right.
is one of the reasons after Aryan took over, this guy took over, and all the other cousins in the family. Now everybody is working out. So
Right.
we are early risers.
Right.
We wake up by 5:30, wake up, have a nice coffee. These guys sometimes Aryan do make some good coffee for me,
Okay.
and then we hit the gym.
Okay.
And occasionally thrice a week we have now started. Adi was very keen, so we started golf also. But it's the bonding is really good, and we look forward. Actually, I look forward.
Right.
I don't know about them,
Right.
but I look forward. I really look forward for this beautiful time, because it is not only working out. That bonding, that passion, that discussion. So it gives a complete punch,
Right.
and that is what has kept me motivated now.
आज आप देख रहे हैं हमारे साथ ये जो फैमिली बैठी यहाँ पे, फादर इतने चार्ज और एंथुसियास्टिक हैं, एंड उनके साथ उनके 2 बेटे हैं. दिस इज लाइक अ धमाका हियर हैपनिंग, एंड वी आर इन सच अ ऑरा. हम एक होम जिम में बैठे हैं, which is actually been created by Manish ji because of his passion, so that he doesn't miss his workout even during pandemic, right?
Right.
So it's a beautiful setup. There are a lot of dumbbells. I think everywhere I can see all the equipment, including your nutrition jars, are all kept so prominently. So how did you get this idea? Like, was it before the pandemic or was it done now?
So what happened was that when lockdown happened,
Yeah.
so the first question which came to my mind was that how am I going to work out,
Right.
and which is actually dinacharya for me,
Right.
which is I follow every single day.
Right.
So one of my friend, he helped me during the pandemic to give me 2 dumbbells in his car. He used to park somewhere, I used to go, and that is how this entire gym came to existence. So trust me, it's because of pandemic this setup has come in, and then the cousins and everybody.
Right.
So that is how this gym has.
Manish ji, my last question to you would be, like, you have created, you come from a, what you call Marwadi family, I believe. Okay, where there's a lot of food and lot of festivities, like इतने diet, so carbohydrate rich रहते हैं, लेकिन आपने वो culture से निकल के आपने एक fitness culture create किया अपने घर में, like we can see such handsome boys next to you, and what would be your message to people who have got families like this, or how can a family like this be created? So what would be your message? How to create this kind of family and habit?
Actually, it's as I said earlier also, ये पूरा परिवार जो होता है, ये पूरे परिवार को इसमें has to get involved.
Right.
Like Asha is completely involved with the nutrition.
Right.
So, yes, there is a lot of disharmony at times in
Right.
terms of earlier days,
Right.
wherein the food was not appropriate, because as you also know,
Right.
that 80% of your everything is your nutrition.
Right.
And if your nutrition is taken care of,
Right.
everything falls in place.
Right.
So I follow, and as I said, Kaiser has been
Right.
like I admire
Of
him,
course.
and
Of course.
he's the guru or
Right.
he's a legend
Right.
of the industry. So I follow him very closely,
Great.
and because of Kaisa, honestly, my life has completely changed.
Wow.
So earlier it was only cardio,
Right.
and now I am into strength training. I do yoga, yes, yoga and Ayurveda and strength training put together
Right.
as completely as a combination works well. But as yes, खाना घर पे जो बनता है
Right.
और जनरली माँ जो होती है ना, माँ को लगता है कि मेरे बेटे ने कभी खाना ही नहीं खाया. And that used to happen actually in my Marwari family.
Right.
My mom used to feed me out of love, and which is actually it happens out of love. You know, even a small baby is being fed, but somewhere awareness, somewhere knowledge, and now since we are so handy with the knowledge, so people should think about what they eat. And yes, in moderation, everything is required, but at the same time, there has to be discipline. And once you are with discipline, when you put your good hours in the gym,
Right.
that is where you realize that अब मुझे ये थोड़ा कम खाना चाहिए.
Right.
And then that is how you get into it, and you will certainly have a good.
Right. Good. Thank you so much, Manish. That was so wonderful to have the entire family. I mean, it is so amazing for me to feature all of you. And I want to declare one thing is that this is the episode for the end of the season 2, and this is going to be the 50th episode.
Oh, wow.
I wanted to keep it as a landmark episode because the 50th episode we are going up to the season 3 now. So thank you very much, and I hope that this culture follows in more families, you know, all across India. You know, wherever you know, I've never met a family, like, to be very frank enough, like, you know, if I don't specify that, you know, there's a father-son combination, I think you'll all look like brothers, you know.
That's a
So
compliment.
yes, Manish, you've done an amazing job, and I really, know. I'm glad that I know you for so long because I've always seen you promoting sport. That's how we got associated. And thank you once again, all of you. And I hope you keep on lifting and training much better. Okay. Keep watching 99 Workouts. This is the 50th and the landmark episode with Manish, Aryan, and Adi.
We're so
Uh,
glad, we're so happy to